I've gathered up all the swingarm parts. I need to put this guy back together. Hopefully this is all I need. I need to clean the grease out of these because I think I'm going to use the red and tacky grease since I have it in a grease gun and I can squirt it in there. I wasn't sure how far to press these bearings in. There's a dead stop in here about 35 millimeters in. These bearings are 28 millimeters wide this way, and I thought that maybe Yombits gave me some bearings or cell bearings like this that are a little shorter than the factory ones, but I did keep the damaged ones that I took out, and they're identical in length this way. I looked at a couple of other swing arms that I have, and the bearings just need to be flush to the outside here. These bearings are packed. I just kept squashing it in there till it wouldn't take any more grease. Red and tacky. I'm going to attempt to use my contraption for installing these bearings. I do one at a time. I'm not going to try to do them both at once. These will not get hit with a hammer at all. I just want to slowly press them in again just so they're flush with the steel on the end of this swing arm pivot. I want to put the letters on the outside. There's a thicker rim here than on this side. I'm going to put the smaller rim to go in first. Actually, I said I wouldn't hit it with a hammer. Right now that thing is as crooked as can be. Not anymore. This is 3/8 16 threaded rod. Looks like it's pressing right in. I'm going to have to get a deep socket. What is that, halfway? It's halfway in already. Pretty simple process. One side pressed in. Nice. Now just flip over the tool.
Come in this direction.
Pick up this greasy thing. Make sure you put it in the right direction.